Namin sa Plaza of Games. Ini siya pinakanindot na suroy kanang bitong wasabutan. Bitong walay sabot ba, dili madrawing ang inyong laag. Alright, asa kami sila o games, so ngita na kung asa sila paingon, pero pagtalan day. So tara, sudlo na to. Tadi yung games na yung drumsticks sa unahan, yung patukar. Watch out, go games, watch out. Yay! Maminaw ta kung nindot pa kini. Yung trail game to, tambayan. Hangin-hangin. So, next part po mga games. Bye-bye. Corneo games to, padung na may uli. Bibihan gad. Time check alas 7:20. Time check 7:20. Games. Kaya pa daghang pag energy. Energetic pa kayo games eh. May problema. Sakto gini try to games. Healthy to lawas. So more to games are lang kutob. Next part pod. This and love to games. Bye bye.